My name is Robbie Rodman. I'm with Stronger Version Fitness, and today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato black bean chili. So it's a super simple recipe. It's my go-to, especially when it starts getting cold out and I'm not really sure what to make. I just want something kind of warm. This is my go-to because it's so simple. So what you start off with is I have a onion and ground turkey, and then sweet potatoes, salsa, black beans, chicken broth, and then my seasonings. So to start off cooking, I will chop up my onion. I'll throw that in my pot with a little bit of olive oil in that, get that going. And then once that onion's a little like translucent, I will add in my ground turkey. I'll season that up with some salt, and then I might add some pepper, garlic, salt, onion powder, well, garlic powder and onion powder, but those are kind of if I have on hand. But for sure salt, just to give it that extra flavor. I like that flavor with my turkey. So I would get those going, get those cooked up, and then as those are cooking, I get all the rest of my ingredients ready. So the next thing you add in after your turkey's all cooked up is the 3 sweet potatoes. Cut these up and then throw those in there along with your spices. What I have for spices is chili powder, a tablespoon of that, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and then a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Don't skip on the cinnamon. I know it sounds like a odd ingredient or spice to put into a chili, but it really gives it just a nice warm taste. So just try it out, don't skip it. So add those in there, cook the sweet potatoes for about 3 minutes or so, and then after that 3 minutes is up, then you can add the last of your ingredients, which is 16 ounces of salsa. Any flavor will do. I've tried multiple different flavors. And then a can of black beans. Make sure that you drain and you rinse those off before adding them in. And then you'll add 2 cups of, I have chicken broth here because this is what we had in our pantry. But really you can use bone broth, you can use chicken stock, you can use really whatever you have on hand. And so you'll add 2 cups of this, and then 2 cups of water. And if you don't have a broth or a stock, then you can just substitute water for that. So it'd be a total of 4 cups of water. So, but that's what I have in hand. So you cook that up, let it simmer, get going to a boil, and then let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure that your sweet potatoes are tender, and that's it. Super simple. So I'll get this cooked up. So I got the meat, or the turkey, the onions, and the sweet potatoes in there along with all the seasonings. That's cooking up. And then I just have to add the last few ingredients here. So I've got my can of black beans that I'm going to toss in there. I have my salsa. Just going to dump that whole can in there. And then I've got 2 cups of water. And then I've got, like I said, my chicken broth here. So I'm just gonna get that measured up here. 2 cups of this. Okay, so add that in there. All stirred up, mixed in there well. We'll bring this up to a boil, and then once it's boiling, I'll turn the heat down so then it's just on simmer for the next 20 to 30 minutes. And that's it. It's super simple. And then when we're done with this, when you're ready to eat, it can go, you can top it with sour cream, you can put avocado in there, onion, kind of whatever you put in your regular chili, you can do with this. So I will come back, show you the finished product, and then that's it. We'll be done. Okay, so this is coming to a boil. I'm going to let it boil, or bring it down to a simmer, cover it up for the next 20 to 30 minutes. At the end of it, I'll make sure that the sweet potatoes are nice and tender, and that is it. So it's a good meal to have either at night or for the week. It's a good meal prep meal, so try it out and let us know what you think. Have a great day.